So hey guys, first off, I know I'm holding this mic really weird, but my connector ring broke. So this is what you're getting today, is Katelyn holding a mic, because she has no way to connect it to anything, and it won't stand up on its own. So this is what you get. Anyway, you probably could tell by the title of the video that I am looking to change up the channel a bit. So basically, long story short, it's a combination of factors that's making me rethink how to approach the channel and kind of like what to do with my content. First and foremost, quarantine is tough, guys. Like, I know all of us are kind of struggling with it in different ways, but one thing that's really hard for me is, first of all, I'm very thankful to still have my full-time job, like to be able to pay my bills, and nothing serious has happened to my family yet, so I'm very grateful for that. But it's been very difficult to do a day job at home where I also have my YouTube job. It's basically, I'm stuck in this exact office for like 12 to 16 hours a day, because typically I do my day shift from 7 to 4 every day, and then after that I have maybe dinner and then work for 5 to 6 more hours into the evening on most days to keep up with making YouTube content. So that for me personally has been starting to get really tough. I know I could probably move to other parts of my house to do the day job work, but I've been trying that, and it's really kind of uncomfortable to sit on a couch all day, or my kitchen table seats aren't the most comfortable either, so this is kind of the best place for me right now. But it has been kind of exhausting because I feel like my creative space escape, like this office, was my escape from the day job, and now it has the day job. So it's been a little tough to kind of balance both in the same space. And then just like, it's been really exhausting to keep up with 2 videos a week. I know like YouTube likes the more frequent uploads, and I really like doing frequent uploads too, because I'm like, oh, I have this idea and I can produce it and then move on to the next idea like relatively quickly, because I love making art. I love making art YouTube videos, but like, it's getting really tough to do 2 a week. Even with my husband helping me with some of the editing, his work schedule's been varying. He's been having to do a lot of overtime as well, so it's hard to constantly have him doing edits, and then it's been also hard for me to produce content. Like, I love drawing, but then there's just some nights where I'm like, I need to go like watch a movie after the day I had, which then has impacted how quickly I can produce art for the channel. So that's just kind of one aspect of it. It's just been a little hard to balance both and figure out how I want to balance this channel. But then like the second thing is, I've been really craving my side projects that have been put on the back burner for a long time. What those 2 are is my Creature Compendium #2 and my webcomic series that I want to create, which is Fox Among Hounds. It's been really hard because I've been chomping at the bit to work on them, and I'm like, oh, don't worry, you'll get to work on it next time. But with the amount of work it's been taking to create the YouTube videos, and then also combating the potential burnout from having my day job and my side job here, it's just kind of made a recipe for I never touch those projects. And then it's hard to keep up with all my other things on top of it. It's just hard because like I want to do so many things and there's just not enough time, and I just don't have enough mental energy. Like, if I could, I would work myself into the ground, which I kind of already do. Like, my husband teases me because I'm a workhorse. I'm most happy when I'm accomplishing and finishing projects. That's just my default state. I just love working and I love creating art. So it's been hard to balance them all, and I've just been feeling an itch to work on my projects. So basically, long story short, in terms of how both of these factors affect the channel, I still want to upload videos. I still really love creating videos and making art videos, so I don't want them to go away, but I'm just gonna start limiting my videos to once a week. I just can't produce 2 a week, so I want to try out this once a week. Plus, I feel my quality will go up because a lot of my videos, I feel I've been rushing to hurry and get done so then I can meet my deadlines. And I feel, not all of them, but some of my quality I feel has gone down for me personally. So I'm going to try out this once a week. We're going to start posting every Friday. I'm going to make a video, and basically the 100 Dragon Challenge will be an every other week thing. So now it gives you guys 2 weeks to finish your dragons. And then the other weeks in between will be filled with other random things like Monster Mashes or the Monsters and Moments sketchbook or other like Monster and Art challenges. Basically, those will fill in the other like every other week slots. And it's really hard for me to do this because, like I said, I love producing cool new content and cool new videos constantly because I'm like, oh, I have this new idea, I can get that done, and then I have another new idea and I can get that done. And so it's so hard to go down to once a week. But I think this is for the better, for a combination of my mental sanity and for like projects I want to work on. Plus, this is going to give me more time to pursue like my own business. Like I've been really liking taking commissions, and then that can like feed in financially to me being able to produce more books, produce more like prints and content for you guys. Like I need to figure out how to balance this to make this a sustainable business, because I really want to make my art and my series and my stories a business. Like I want it to be my full-time gig, just creating stuff for you guys, like making series that you guys can enjoy on the internet, or making books like the creature compendiums or things for D&D, or like just comic books in general, because I really miss making comics. And I think this is the best way for me to balance. I just need to pull back a little on YouTube. And I do think I'm in a really good spot for this because this isn't my full-time job and it's not my full-time income yet. So this is kind of the best time for me to experiment with like upload timing and basically my content. So I really appreciate your guys' support. Recently when I've been posting on Twitter or Instagram or here on YouTube about like, hey guys, I'm not uploading this week, or I'm facing a burnout, or this is happening, all of you have been super supportive, and I can't thank you enough. It's really great to know that you guys really like the art I make and the content, and I love getting notes from everyone on like how certain things inspire you guys to create. Like I am very grateful for this community that I have, and you guys are amazing. And so I want to be able to make content for you guys that can inspire you and that you can enjoy. And I also want to make stuff that I've been really wanting to make. Like I am very passionate about my Fox Among Hounds series, and I just need more time to dedicate to it. So I think kind of scaling back and doing a video a week is going to be the best for being able to produce these other things. And then I can spend more time making the monsters for Patreon, and then I can also spend more time making monsters for Creature Compendium too, so it doesn't take me 2 to 3 more years to finish it, you know? So either way, I wanted to thank you guys again for your support. You guys are all amazing, and I am so thankful for all of your comments. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for your patience while I go through this uploading transition and changing up my channel. And I'll see you guys on Friday for a new 100 Dragons, and then we'll start doing a video every Friday. Anyway, thanks again, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.